Welcome back. The other big story tonight, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has said he has met the Prime Minister asking for the body of Afzal Guru as well as the body of JKLF leader Maqbool Bhatt to be returned to the Kashmir Valley. In a series of tweets this evening, the Chief Minister had said, "I had written to the Prime Minister on the 19th of this month asking for the return of the bodies of both Afzal Guru and Maqbool Bhatt to their families. I followed this up with a visit to the Prime Minister to make the request in person a few days ago. My government," he says, "will continue to raise this issue with New Delhi." Well, that statement from the J&K CM has come on a day when the patron of the main opposition party in Jammu and Kashmir, the PDP, Mufti Muhammad Saeed, has also written to the PM today saying that Afzal's body should be sent home to apply balm to the state's wounds. That the hanging of the Parliament attack convict has been an emotional issue in the Kashmir Valley, particularly the way New Delhi handled the execution, not even informing his family in time. Well, joining us now for more on that is NDTV's Nazir Masoodi from Srinagar. Nazir, tell us more. It seems that politically, at least across the board in Jammu and Kashmir, all political parties now saying that Afzal's body should be brought back home.
Well, Nidhi, that is almost all the political parties, both mainstream and separatists, are on the same page when it comes to the return of Afzal Guru's body. Every party is demanding, Kashmir-based parties, that body should be handed over to the family for the final rites, because they have a religious right, moral right, and thus legal right to get the body back. And today we saw PDP, his patron and the former Home Minister and the Chief Minister of J&K, Mufti Muhammad Saeed, writing this letter to the Prime Minister, asking him to return, and he is saying that relationship of trust between Kashmir and the rest of the country almost evaporated into thin air because the way Afzal Guru's execution was handled. He is saying, "I am writing to you," asking Prime Minister, that "I am writing to you not to seek any concession for the state, but I am suggesting a way out to restore to some extent the prestige lost by the country." And he is saying return of Afzal Guru's remains to his family is the minimum that government of India could do to apply some balm to deep wounds. And he's saying, telling Prime Minister that you completely ignore the voice of sanity on Afzal's hanging. So very strongly worded letter by Mufti Muhammad Saeed he has written to the Prime Minister. It only shows that the upcoming assembly session in Jammu and Kashmir is going to be highly emotive. It's going to be a stormy session, and all the political parties have raised their stakes. And in response to Mufti's letter, Chief Minister has made a written series of these tweets, and he is saying he has met Prime Minister on 19th of this month in New Delhi. In fact, he met Home Minister as well and has raised this issue. He is not just talking about the return of the body of Afzal Guru. He is now in fact talking about the return of the body of Muhammad Maqbool Bhatt, the founder of the JKLF, Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, who was hanged on 11th of February 1984 in Tihar jail, and he is buried there. And for last nearly 30 years, there is a demand from the all separatist groups. His body should be handed over to his family. It should be buried here. It should be returned. And for the first time, Chief Minister of a state is now demanding the same thing, in fact raising the stakes. In fact, there is a resolution that is coming up in the assembly, and as I said, it would be a stormy session, and both the National Conference and PDP have now raised the stakes, and it's expected this whole issue is going to dominate the assembly session.
Well, the question is